Guys, how are you doing? My name is Dennis, your core teacher. In this beautiful video today, I am going to teach you how to use much and many in English. Just watch this video at the end. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment. Let's go, guys. Much and many. Much is used when we are speaking about a singular noun, and many is used when we are speaking about plural. In other cases, guys, we can use them with a large quantity of something. Much is used for uncountable nouns. What does that mean, uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns, guys, is something that you can't count, okay? And many is used for plural countable nouns. Let's see some example. Example 1. How much money have you got? How much money have you got? Example 2. It doesn't need milk. Okay. Example 3. There are too many students in this class. Number 4. I spent many days there. Okay. Another example 2, guys. I don't have much time. Okay. Another example, he doesn't need too much money. Sometimes, guys, we can use them to form questions. Okay. You could say, guys, how much does it cost? Okay. Does it use much electricity? Many. Why not let me give you some example about many, guys. As I said before started, I say we use many for plural countable nouns. A countable nouns, guy, is something that you can count. In other case, I can say it is on an amount that you can count. Let's go. There aren't many chairs in the room. There aren't many chairs in the room. Okay, in this case, guys, I can count how much. I can count many. I can count them. Okay. Another example, guys. She has lots of friends. Okay. I can say she has many friends. Okay, guys. So I think you understand how you can use much and many after watching this video. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget, guys, to always keep in touch on my YouTube channel, Learn Haitian Creole with Jeff Daly. Thank you, guys, so much.